Hi everyone, my name is Rosemary, founder of Techable, Assistive Technology. Continuing from the previous video, to those individuals who have difficulty with taking their notes and studying using the notes, Livescribe Smartpen can be also a helpful tool. Livescribe currently offers two different pens, Livescribe Symphony Smartpen and Echo Smartpen. The main difference between those two pens is that the Echo Smartpen has a built-in voice recorder and the other one doesn't have a built-in recorder. The one I've been recommending to my consumer and I'm going to show today is the Echo Smartpen. The Echo Smartpen makes audio recording while you are writing down your own notes and have the recording sync to your notes. So even if you miss writing down some information, you can still listen to the recording later by tapping your own notes. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you how it works. This is Echo Smartpen and it has microphone and speaker in front of the pen, and at the tip of the pen there is special camera. They can see your notes and ink that you can write. So this pen works with Livescribe dot paper. When you purchase the pen, it comes with one starter notebook, and you can purchase the additional notebook, different size like journal size or college notebook size from the store, and you can even print out the dot paper that work with the Smart Pen. So if I open the notebook, each page on Livescribe notebook will have buttons at the bottom. Basically, these are the main buttons that probably you'll use the most. So the record, pause, and stop button, you'll use this button when you make a recording of the lecture or meeting, pause and stop the recording. And also when you listen to the playback, you can use also the same button to pause or stop playback. When I need to take a notes, so first I need to press the power button. So it's starting, and then it shows how much battery it has and time. And then once I need to, when I'm ready to record, I first need to hit this record button. So when I hit this, it shows that, okay, it's now recording. I don't know if you can see the seconds, but it's recording 9 seconds, 10 seconds. So it's recording the sound it hears. And then let me play some information so I can show you how I can write down the information while the pen is recording. Okay, so some of you have asked me my office number and the office hours. My office number is 410-555-1212, and office hours Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's 10 to 12 in the morning, and Tuesdays and Thursdays it's gonna be 2 to 3. So if you have any question, you can give me a call or you can just visit my office and then we can discuss. Okay, so today let's start with looking. So it's still recording, but I'm gonna hit this stop button to stop recording. So as you can see here, while it's recording, I wasn't able to write down all the phone number and the specific hours, but at least I put the number sign for the phone number, and then the hours, and then I put Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I didn't get to write down the exact time. So if I want to get to that information, then all I need to do is tap on the note. Then I'm gonna hit the stop button. So when I tap this number symbol, the pen is playing the part that was recorded while I was writing that information. And if I tap other place on my notes, pen is going to play that part of the recording while I was writing that note. So let me tap here. If I tap M, so later I can listen and then write down the information. But a thing is, people usually write down the notes after the recording is made. So when I tap the notes, I heard that part of the information was missing. You see on the pen, this is the timeline. So this is timeline of the recording that was made while I was writing this information. And this timeline on the pen is same as this on the notebook. So what you can do is after you tap your note, look at where it's playing on the pen, and then probably tap little bit in front of where it's playing on the note to listen to that information. So let me show you what that means. So it's playing there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap a little bit in front of. So if I tap here, it's gonna jump to the beginning of a recording. So when I hit this, it shows that, okay, it's now recording. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna stop. So here in the timeline, if I tap the beginning, the recording's gonna jump to the beginning of the recording and then play. And then that's the end of the recording. So after I tap my note to listen to the information, if part of the information is missing, I can tap in this timeline to listen to the missing information. So let me actually find out the phone number and then write it down. So I'm gonna tap number. So that's how I can tap on my notes and listen to the recording that was made while I was writing that part of the note. Or you can use these buttons while you are listening to the recording. These are jump button. So the first one will take you back 10 seconds of where it's playing. This button will fast forward 10 seconds from where it's playing. So if I tap here to listen to the phone number, and then if I tap here, jump or fast forward. So you can either use jump button or this jump to position button to listen to different part of your recordings. And the other buttons that I like to point out is these two. So this is just the playback speed buttons. So if you press this, it will play back slowly, the minus sign, and then if you tap the plus, it will play back faster. And then these are just adjusting the volume of the pen playing back the sound. So increase the volume, decrease the volume, and just mute button. If you connect the pen to a computer, the notes and recordings can be downloaded to a computer. And using this software, the Echo desktop software, which can be downloaded from Livescribe website, you will be able to view and listen to the recording from a computer. So the pen comes with the connector. So I'm going to connect the pen to a computer, and let me open this Echo desktop software. Okay, so when I open the Echo desktop software, it says the pen was detected, and then it's transferring all the notes and recording from the pen to a computer. So now it's done. On the left hand side, it's gonna list all different Livescribe notebook that it sees, and then I can choose the notebook to view the notes and listen to the recording. So this is the one, the starter notebook is the one that I just used. So previously I made some notes and recording on page number 1, and today I just made some notes and recording on page number 4. So if I double click and look at the page number 4, you will see the exact same information that I wrote on the pen, on the notebook, on this screen. So in here, it works the same way. If I click my notes, it's gonna play the recording that was made while I was writing that part of note. So if I press this number, 10-555-1212, and office hours Monday, Wednesday, Friday, it's 10 to 12 in the morning, and Tuesdays and Thursdays it's gonna be 2 to 3. So if you have any question, you can. So it shows when the writing was made while it's playing the recording. So so if I just press the different part of notes, 10 to 12 in the morning, and it's gonna play the information that was recorded while I was writing that part. Okay, so for the individuals who have difficulty with taking notes and studying using their notes, I've introduced 2 products, Audio Note Taker with Companion app and Echo Smartpen. The individuals who choose the Echo Smartpen over the audio note taker are those who report that writing down their own notes help them to remember things better. But for some individuals prefer concentrating on listening to the lecture or meeting without worry about taking their notes, they choose audio note taker over SmartPen. I've included the link to the SmartPen website for your information in this notes section. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.